Students, today we are going to discuss class 10th topic from chapter coordinate geometry, and the name of the topic we are taking here, section formula. And the uses of this formula is, first one, to find coordinates of a point. First use of it. Second, we can find out a ratio in which a point divides a line, segment. Third one, we can also check points are collinear or not. In previous lecture we learned about we can check points are collinear or not. So this is the second method to check points are collinear or not. How can we apply section formula, and what is section formula? In section formula we have given corner of line segment. We are saying here x1 y1 a point, second point b x2 y2. There is some c location in between which divides the given line segment in some ratio, say m/1. So how can we calculate coordinates of point C by using section formula? Easiest method, just cross multiply and get your answer. First of all, for x coordinate we just cross multiply with x coordinate, so it become mx2, and cross multiply here and x1, add them, divide by sum of ratio. This is simply for x coordinate. Same way for y coordinate, my2 and y1 divide by m plus n. This is by use of section formula. So easily we can apply. Now we are going to see with the help of example, find out the coordinates of a point. Our first type, let these are the 2 points given of a line segment. First corner is given, suppose 4 minus 3. Second corner is given b 8 and 5. There is another point c in between them which divides the given line segment in ratio 3:2. So what is the coordinate of point C? This is our first type of method we are discussing here with the example. Coordinates of C by section formula. As we have discussed, we just cross multiply. Firstly for x coordinate, 3 multiply 8 plus 2 multiply here 4, divide by sum of ratio. And y coordinate, 3 multiply here 5 plus 2 multiply here minus 3. So we use here bracket because the value is negative. If we simplify, 3 8 is 24 plus 8 divide by total become 5, 32 by 5. Same here, 15 minus 6 by 5, 9 by 5. So overall coordinate for point C become 32 by 5 and 9 by 5. This is the first use of section formula to find out what we have discussed here, coordinate of a given point. Second method, we are going to calculate, find out the ratio in which a given point divides a given line segment. We are looking for this example here. Look here, how can we calculate? Question is given like here. Second use of section formula. Look by example. Let A is a point with vertices minus 6, 10, and B is another point with vertices 3, minus 8. C is a point which lies in between A and B, given by minus 4, 6. We have to find out in what ratio C divides AB. in which AC is the left side part and BC is the right side part. Let ratio is given by here m ratio n. By using section formula, we are getting coordinates of point C. First of all, x coordinate. We know the formula by cross multiply. M multiply with 3, n multiply with minus 6, divided by sum of ratio equating with x coordinate of the C point minus 4. By cross multiply, we get on right hand side minus 4m minus 4n. Collecting the same values, we get on the left hand side 3m plus 4m is equal to 6n minus 4n. 7m is equal to n, because m ratio n, which means m divided by n. So we are calculating m by n, it comes out 2 by 7. So ratio become 2 ratio 7. Another method, let ratio be k ratio 1, where k stands for m by n. How we get it? See it here. In the previous method, we have done m ratio n. If we divide it by n on both sides, we get this one. This value we indicate by k. That's why we are taking here k ratio 1. Our question is this one. A coordinate is given by minus 6, 10. B coordinate is given by 3, minus 8. C is the point given by minus 4, 6. And ratio is now k ratio 1. So, by section formula, coordinates of C x coordinate by cross multiply method, it is given by 3k minus 6 over sum of ratio k plus 1. It is already given minus 4. By cross multiply, 3k minus 6 become minus 4k minus 4. By getting the k on the left hand side, we get this one. 3k plus 4k is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2. Left hand side becomes 7k. So value of k become 2 by 7. K is given by m by n. So ratio become 2 ratio 7. Now looking for further example. We are taking more example here on use of section formula. There is a question, important one from examination point of view. There is a line segment AB whose vertices are given by A 2 minus 2, B is given by minus 7, 4. We have to find out the point of trisection. Here the word tri section. Tri word means 3. Section word means parts. Means we have to find out the vertices of points which divides the given line segment in 3 equal parts. So we are indicating just look like 3 parts. Let this point is given by P and Q. If you see here 4 point P, on the left hand side 1 share, on the right hand side these are 2 share. So ratio become here 1 ratio 2. So applying section formula by 1 ratio 2. Coordinates of P. X coordinate. 1 multiplied by minus 7. 2 multiplied by 2. Divided by sum of ratio. After solve we get this one. Y coordinate. 1 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by minus 2. Divided by sum of ratio. So it become this much. So P point gives coordinate minus 1, 0. On the same way, if we see here, A point is here, P is here, Q is here, B is here. For Q, left hand side contain 2 parts, right hand side contain 1 part. So ratio become here 2 ratio 1. A coordinate is given by 2 minus 2, B is given by minus 7, 4. Again by section formula, X coordinate become 2 multiplies by minus 7, 1 multiplied by 2. Divided by sum of ratio. So it become minus 12 by 3, that is given by minus 4. Y coordinate 2 multiplied by 4, 1 multiplied by minus 2, divided by sum of ratio. So it becomes 6 by 3, that is 2. So Q has the coordinate given by -4, 2. Another we have to discuss here. First, we have discussed the coordinate to find out. Same way is used here. Second, we have discussed here. Find the ratio. That is also used if points are collinear. Find out in which ratio the point divides the given line segment. Another important question we are going to discuss here, that is of type, find the ratio in which a line segment, say AB, given by 5, -6, -1, -4 divided by any axis. Here question is divided by y-axis. As you know, on y-axis value of x coordinate is given by 0. Firstly, we are taking here, let ratio be k ratio 1. This is the point of intersection, say C. Ratio we have considered here k ratio 1. Bisection formula, coordinates of C. X coordinate first of all. Cross multiply method. It become -k plus 5 divided by k plus 1. Y coordinate -4k -6 divided by k plus 1. As we have earlier told, on y-axis x coordinate 0, it means this value is 0. This is unknown. So we are solving the given pair. Cross multiply, we get -k plus 5 by cross multiply 0. So 5 become is equal to k. If we use this value here, we get the y coordinate -4 into 5 -6 divided by 5 plus 1. If we simplify, -20 -6 by 6, it become here -26 by 6, by cancel out by 2, we get this one. So coordinate of point C become 0. It is already given because it lies on y-axis. Y coordinate is given by this one. One more point we are going to discuss, that is given by midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? If we are given have a line segment, suppose 2, 3, B is given by 4, 7. Midpoint means lies in the center of the line segment, where left hand side, right hand side are equal, means 1, 1 share each. If we apply here section formula, it become 1 multiply 4, 1 multiply 2, divided by sum of ratio. For y coordinate, 1 multiply 7, 1 multiply 3, divided by sum of ratio. So it become here 6 by 2, 10 by 2. Generally what we can see here, only sum of x coordinate divided by 2, sum of y coordinate divided by 2. This is known as midpoint formula. Important one for board exams. Here the question is given, if the shape of a quadrilateral is given by a parallelogram in which 3 vertices are given, find out the fourth one. Otherwise find out the missing data. First vertex is given by 6, 1, second is given by 8, 2, third one is given by 9, 4, fourth one x coordinate is missing, y is given. Find out the missing value. As we know, in a parallelogram, diagonals are not equal, but they bisect each other. It means midpoint of AC is same as midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC is same as midpoint of BD. That's why we have to discuss here midpoint formula. So by applying midpoint formula for AC, it become 6 plus 9 by 2, 1 plus 4 divided by 2 is same as x plus 8 by 2 and 3 plus 2 by 2. If we discuss only x coordinate here, it is 15 by 2 is equal to x plus 8 by 2. 2 cancel out, LCMs are same. It means 15 should be is equal to x plus 8. If we use here logical method, 8 plus which value gives us 15, that is given by 7. So this is our answer, but we have to check y coordinate also. 1 plus 4, 5 divided by 2. Here 3 plus 2 is also 5 divided by 2. It is already same. So like this we can use section formula. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to get the updates on other topics of mathematics. Thank you.